2023 Toyota GR Corolla revealed, looks ferocious, packs 300 horsepower. It's got all the goodies from the GR Yaris. No more teasers, rumors or leaks. The 2023 Toyota GR Corolla hot hatch is here, and it's exactly what we hoped for, a bigger 4-door GR Yaris that's actually coming to America. It's built in the same factory, and it has the manual transmission, the trick-all-wheel drive and beefy body. And to top it all off, it has even more power. As you saw from the headline, the turbocharged 1.6-liter 3-cylinder now makes 300 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute, an increase of 32 ponies over the GR Yaris sold in other markets. Torque remains the same at 273 pound-feet, available between 3,000 and 5,500 revolutions per minute. According to Toyota, the extra power comes partly from the triple-pipe valved exhaust. Apparently it's louder than the Yaris, too. There's only one transmission available, a 6-speed manual. And right next to the shifter is a physical handbrake, perfect for executing rally-style slides. Power moves from the transmission to an all-wheel drive system with a variable torque split. It can be divided between 60 front, 40 rear, an even 50-50 split, or a rear-biased split of 30 front and 70 rear. Like the GR Yaris, the base model has open differentials front and rear, but limited slip differentials are available in a performance package or as standard on the Circuit Edition. More on the trims in a bit. All of this is housed in a much beefier Corolla body. All versions get a front grille closely based on the one from the GR Yaris. The front fenders are much wider with functional side vents, and rear fenders have swollen to glorious proportions at the rear in a way that evokes classic high-performance hot hatches like the Renault Clio V6. Connecting the fenders are wide side skirts with GR4 molded in. The rear features a big spoiler and the aforementioned triple exit exhaust. The Circuit Edition gets extra flair with gloss black accents, a bulged hood with vents and a distinctive forged carbon fiber roof left unpainted that seems likely to create a trend. Inside the wider wheel housings are 18-inch wheels with 235mm wide Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. The chassis has been strengthened with additional welds and structural adhesives, and an aluminum hood and doors help with weight savings. Still, being a larger car with 2 extra doors means the GR Corolla is portlier than the GR Yaris. Curb weight is 3,249 pounds, a little more than 400 pounds more than the 2-door cousin. But on the flip side, it's about the same weight as the less powerful Subaru WRX. It's also roughly 200 pounds lighter than the similarly powerful VW Golf R. Suspension consists of McPherson struts up front and a multi-link design in the rear. The front brakes feature fixed 4-piston calipers with ventilated and slotted rotors, while the rear brakes have fixed 2-piston calipers with ventilated rotors. As we've mentioned, there are 2 versions of the GR Corolla for the first model year. The base is called the Core model, and it includes sport seats, black and gray interior accents, aluminum pedals, a 12